Hello, and welcome to Tuesday DJ Gig Tips, brought to you by Vibo, the music planning app. I'm going to do something on this channel today that I've done several times on this channel, but I can't seem to do it enough, and that is give you guys a real quick tutorial on how to achieve what we call either 0 dB or unity gain on your system. Even seasoned professionals don't know how to do this or don't understand the benefits of it. The benefits of it are this. You're going to be able to crank your system as loud as it can go before distortion and get the best sound out of your system. That's it. I'm going to show you how to set up your speakers, quick and easy. I'm going to show you how to set up your mixing board to get the best sound possible. And the reason I'm showing this is because I'm going to be doing some live workshops here locally on audio and lighting for mobile DJs, and I want to cover basic stuff. I don't want to go into deep Ben Stowe explanations on things. I want to just give you the Reader's Digest of stuff. And what I'm about to show you in this video is what I'm thinking about showing the class. Of course, I'm going to let them do a Q&A session while I'm doing it. But basically, this is how it's done. Let me know what you think. Have a look. Every powered speaker is a little different. If your powered speaker has a volume represented in decibels like this, put it to 0 dB and leave it there. That's your tops. Your subs are a little different. That's another video. Here's the mixing board we are going to be working with today. Yours may look different. You may have a lot of buttons and pads and things, but the fundamentals are really pretty simple. We are going to be working with channel 2 and 3 today, the crossfader, and this knob right here. Everything right now is set straight up and down to like noon, all the knobs, okay? And our line faders are turned all the way down. First thing I want you to do is go to your master and turn it up to either 8 or 3 o'clock. So it could be 8 on the dial, it could be 3 o'clock, but turn it there and leave it there and never touch it again. It should always just be there. Now, let's play a track and look at the pretty lights. This knob up here at top is called either trim or gain. If you turn it up higher, you're going to get all the way up into the red. Of course, you have amber and green. We're going to turn this down until we hit 0 dB, which on this mixing board is represented by the last green. Some mixing boards, it goes all the way up to the first amber. That's where your 0 dB is. On this board, it's the last green. So look at your mixing board and see what you have. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to bring this line fader up. And here's the bass. At 8, notice my master is also hitting 0. That's what it should be doing. That's the loudest the system should ever be. We now have unity gain at 0 dB. Pretty cool, huh? Now, let's put another track on. See the pretty lights? Same thing. We've got to bring this down until we hit 0 dB on these little lights here. By the way, these are called pre-fade listen. I always thought they were pre-fade level, but most people call them pre-fade listen. Now I'll bring that fader, well, I'll bring the crossfader over, bring the fader up. See, same thing. Look, we're hitting 0. That's unity gain. Now if I bring this line fader up, I cross over to this deck. You see this jumps up a little bit to like plus 3 dB? It's going to do that. You're going to get a little bit of a gain there when you're in between channels. But don't worry about it. It's negligible. But that is indeed what does happen. Now, you've achieved unity gain at this point. So you can turn this down on your line fader. Don't use this, use this. Once you're hitting 0 dB here as your maximum level, use this line fader to do the volume. Don't use the master, don't use the trim, use the line fader. Okay? But again, if we go up to 8 on this, bring this over, that's 0 dB. That's unity gain, and that's how you achieve it. And that's going to give you the cleanest sound out of your system without distortion. If you want a louder system, buy speakers with more SPL. That's it. I hope it helps somebody. If you didn't know how to do this, I hope you know now. Try it. I'm telling you, your system's going to sound really nice doing it this way. If you want a louder system, you really just need to get speakers with higher SPL, more decibels. This is as loud as your system's going to go before distortion and sound its best. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Practice and enjoy.